I'm going to show you how to a quick view of a conversion from a 6-volt power wheel to a 18-volt lithium ryobi battery. This is going to be it right here, what we're working with. I'll leave this attached. I need to expose what needs to be exposed. So right on the other end of this, right on the other side of this one being crimped, basically just the 2 wires that connects directly to the battery, I cut them and I crimped some ends on there, connector ends. And this is what I took off of there, which could be put on back in the future at any time. So this bad boy went there, which is right there in that screw and this screw, that plate. Got rid of that. And so if you were to put this bad boy back on, that's why I put the connector, so at any time you could literally just connect it back. But I covered them up right here. This is where those connectors are that go here. I have them covered, so whenever you just have it dangling or the ground and power not there sparking, causing a short. And this is how I do it. On this ryobi battery, you can see the positive and negative. So all I literally do is I get this in right here. I follow the power in. We have our ground in, which is all black wire right here. I'm looking for the all red original, which is right here, and I just follow it. And what I'm going to literally do is I have this electric tape. I'm going to get this power, remember red wire, and I'm going to literally tape it here. So I'm going to tape just from right here, and then I'm going to push this here and just wrap it up to here. Then I'm going to grab my negative and I'm going to complete another circle around and go around a few times. So this is half of the process, how I said. Put a piece of tape over here, and then we're going to just put that positive, come around, and then I'm going to now grab the negative end and I'm going to go around a few more times. So as you can see right here, is I already did it. I got the negative on one side, the positive on one side. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to literally lay it down. There we go. It's not touching nothing. And so that's where it's at. And then you just literally take the electric tape off of that end and put it back on the ryobi battery charger. And it lasts a long while. I think the kids were driving for like 2 hours full blast. Straight, just going around in circles around this yard before they had to get off it and put it on the charger again. You can see what it does. Hey, don't be fighting for it. Move out the way. Johnny's gonna go around a few times and then you go. Johnny, turn it on. Let's see what it got. There we go. She's coming back, Dylan. There we go. Go, bro.